So in this problem, we're working with vectors and the addition of vectors. Consider the force vectors A and B shown in figure 1.25. Each has a magnitude of 5 newtons. Sketch in a third vector whose magnitude and direction are such that A plus B plus C equals 0. So in this case, we simply just have to sketch out these vectors and try to find out how we can make them equal to 0. So I'm just going to redraw over here the two vectors. We have A and we have B. And then this here is our y-axis, y direction. And then both of them are at an angle of 30 degrees from the x-axis. So here's our x-axis, and then the actual equation that we're trying to find is how do we get A plus B plus C to equal 0. So we would have to find a new vector, C, and add it onto A and B to get to an equivalent of 0. So the first thing we're going to do is add vectors A plus B. And then the way we would add these vectors is from the tip of vector A and then the tail of vector B. So we would draw like this, the same vector B. Let me do it in a different color so it's more clear. We would have A like this and B like this connecting. And now to find our vector C that we need, we would simply have to find which vector would close this triangle and essentially make the vectors result in 0. So it would have to be this way. This would be our vector C going in the downward negative y direction. So our answer would be D. We have the vector going downwards in the negative y direction